Chicken bacon ranch cheese ball.
Did you say balls?
Chicken. They're called chicken bacon cheese balls?
Well, she just said what it was. Don't up.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On today's episode, we'll be making chicken bacon. Thanks, Chris. On this week's episode, we'll be making chicken bacon ranch cheese ball bites. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up some bacon so we can fry it. I've got a part package of bacon that we've had from last night, and I've taken out a full bacon. So that's 12 pieces of bacon that I'm going to be using. I'm going to fry it all up. I only need a cup, so it might be more than I need. The rest I'll just put in the fridge. I can use in salads or potatoes or whatever. So the first thing I like to do is I like to cut it in half. I find it's easier to work with the smaller amount. And then I cut it in half lengthwise. And then we're just going to chop it into smaller pieces. I find the bacon cooks better this way. And not only that, you don't have a huge piece of bacon. Everybody gets to share some instead of one person getting it all. So there's my bacon all cut up. I'm just going to put it aside. We're going to pull out the induction and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got the induction out. Now let's fry some bacon. We're going to turn it on, put our pan on. I have it set for 700. If I find it's not cooking fast enough, I'll turn it up. I'm going to add the bacon to the cold pan. I find that the bacon cooks better that way. Let's give it a mix. And by mix, I mean let's just spread it around so it's evenly in the pan. I am going to turn the pan up. So I've turned it up to 1,000. I think that's about medium on a regular stove. Okay, I say our bacon is cooked. I'm going to turn the induction off. And we're going to scoop it out onto a paper towel. So our bacon is cooked. I've got it scooped out of the frying pan. I'm going to remove the frying pan and get rid of the induction, and then it's time to shred some cheese. The next thing we need to do is shred some cheese. So I've got a nice cheddar cheese here. I like to use the smaller grate on my cheese grater, and we're just going to grate some cheese. Now the small grate leaves your cheese small like that. I find it's easier to work with and it melts faster. So I actually need a cup. I have a little bit here already, so we'll just add some more. Oh look, it's about a cup. Now it's time to assemble all our ingredients for our cheese bites. The first thing you need is an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, room temperature. You want to make sure that it's soft because you do need to mix it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a little mix with my mixer just to make sure that it actually will mix and it's not still cold. Okay, that works. And next to our bowl, we want to add 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup of the shredded cheese, 1 cup of cooked bacon, 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. If you'd like to see us make some ranch dressing, let us know in the comment down below and we'll do a short on it. And we're going to give this a mix. We're going to turn it on slow at first. And we'll finish mixing it by hand. And there's our mixture. Now we'll roll it into balls. So now we're going to make the balls. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use a cookie scoop. That's about the size of the balls that I'm going to be making. and I'm just gonna scoop them out onto a piece of parchment paper. Okay, so I got my balls done. Oh, that sounded really bad. But the cheese ball bites are done. I've given them a quick roll just to kind of round them up and firm them together. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to roll them in breadcrumbs. Here I've got 1 cup of breadcrumbs. We're gonna start with that. If we find we need more, we'll add a little bit more. So once I've rolled them in the breadcrumbs, I'm going to put them on a cookie sheet because they are going to bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. So I'm just going to put them on my cookie sheet. I've got a nice silicone mat here, and I'm just gonna bake them on the silicone mat. Let's get rolling. Okay, so for today, I'm just gonna cook 12. I'm actually gonna spread them out a little bit more. Okay, so I miscounted. I'm cooking 13. Math was never my strong suit. Okay, so as I said before, we're gonna cook these for 15 to 20 minutes in a 375-degree oven. My oven is up to temperature, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven. We'll be back when they're cooked. So my little cheese balls are out of the oven. I did end up baking them for 20 minutes, and they are nice and golden brown. Let's get them on a plate so that we can get to trying them. So there we go. Now for the best part, let's try them. So I've got them plated here with a nice little dish of ranch dressing. So I'm just gonna dip it in and we'll try it. They are so good. You get the crispiness of the bacon and the saltiness from the bacon, but you can also taste the cream cheese, the chicken. Oh, it is so good. And the ranch dressing. They are a little gooey, but they are really good. Well, that pretty much does it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hit the like button if you liked what you saw. Hit the notification bell, lets you know when we upload a new video. We upload every Friday. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share with all your friends and comment down below. Do you think this is something you would make? Or better yet, what would you like to see us make next? Oh, and don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.